Hey everyone, HFX here with another quick video today. So going along with the lockpicking theme, I've been looking at ways in which I can make my home more secure against non-destructive attacks, i.e. lockpicking. And one of the things I found was that really any lock can be picked if you have the right tools and the right skills and the right amount of time. So in order to reduce that, the first thing I did to the side door on our garage was add a door jamb inside that would basically stop the door from being open even if it was picked. This is our rear entry door. So it's an outside swinging door. It's got hinges that are exposed, but they're pinned. But one thing that we do have is a wiser deadbolt that could easily be picked if somebody had the right tools and the right skill, probably in under a minute. Now, we don't typically enter or leave the house through this door, so to me this is just another way that somebody could, while out of sight, because again this is in my backyard, so you'd be out of sight from the roadway, that somebody could use a non-destructive attack like lockpicking to get through the house. So what I've done is I've purchased a Schlage one-sided deadbolt. And what that is that there's a deadbolt on the inside, but the outside is just a flush plate. So there's no actual keyway to be picked. So once this door is locked from the inside, it cannot be unlocked from the outside or picked from the outside. So that means that for a non-destructive attack, at least, somebody won't be able to get through the back door, the side door, which is the garage. They'll only be able to get through the front door, which there are cameras and is alarmed and all that kind of stuff. So this is just one more way that I'm gonna use to reduce the likelihood of somebody using a non-destructive attack to get through my house. Again, this is not going to stop a determined intruder. I mean, somebody could kick in this door, they could break the window, reach in, turn the deadbolt. But yeah, so this is just one more thing. Again, it's a Schlage one-sided deadbolt, and basically just a deadbolt on the inside and a flush cover on the outside. And that's it. I believe it's a Schlage model B81. Picked it up on Amazon for about 40 bucks. This is not an endorsement. But anyways, alright, you guys stay safe. Thanks.